Tired of your brown sugar always going hard before you can use it? Why not make it? Then you only have what you need on hand. It only takes 2 ingredients. Let's get started. Hi friend, I do not keep any brown sugar in my house. Even using a little terracotta sugar keeper, I always found my sugar went hard before I could use it all up. And one fateful day, I accidentally bought a gallon of molasses and kicked off my brown sugar on-demand trend that continues to this day. And that gallon of molasses lasted me forever. Making brown sugar is super easy, but it's even easier with a hand or stand mixer. To 1 cup of sugar, add 1 tablespoon of molasses for a light brown sugar, or 2 tablespoons for a dark brown sugar. Mix that very well. This works great for when you actually need brown sugar ready to go, like in barbecue rubs or topping oatmeal. Plus, molasses adds depth and moisture to baked goods. When I'm baking, I just use regular sugar and add the molasses with the wet ingredients. Same results, no mess. And definitely no hard brown sugar that I am trying to soften in the microwave without melting it. If you know, you know. And that is how I haven't had to buy brown sugar for at least the last 10 plus years. Besides, white sugar is cheaper than brown sugar where I am, and I use molasses for other things, so it's something I always have on hand. If you give this a try, let me know. If you like seeing how to make simple pantry staples, consider subscribing. I have more videos just like this coming your way. And thanks for hanging out with me.